kubuni bethai mai thai akorok ni hai rang ajina ni tei jora kolok jogai bethai ri thangnai engkha narikra aboni bagi no hafang ni bekhak tei bo gobang makhe narikra kainani khaba chara jagi togo hasteo ara phaktor hai tripura hasteo bo narikra kaimung bangrenao haste narikel unnayan porishod ni khungsa center sengjak thong hanai san lekha hokbar khlainai rok fashola narikra kaimung ni sakao salsani block level seminar songsajakha agoliwo bharat hafangni coconut development board ni tripura bedek tei agolini nagichora amchaini horticulture research complex ni thansaluai jema bai songsajakmani o seminar pandao manjaka Hyderabad ni National Center for Management of Agricultural Extension Director Dr. M. Shrikant, Assistant Director Dr. Venkateshwar Rao, Kerala Hasteni Coconut Development Board Deputy Director Pramod Korian, Tripura Hafangni Horticulture and Soil Conservation Dagekhoni Director Dr. Phonibhushan Jomatia, Joint Director Shantanu Debarma, Deputy Director Dr. Rajiv Ghosh tei Sujit Das Akorok. Chati musangmani bisingtei salsani o seminar no chengi relakha naroi rok. Hasteni kereng thaini hukbar khlainai rok bo manjak phaika o seminar ro.
আজকে এখানে আমাদের ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের 30 জন কৃষকদের নিয়ে একটা আলোচনা চক্র হয়, যেটা গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ইন্ডিয়ার একটা সংস্থা ম্যানেজ হায়দ্রাবাদ, ওখান থেকে ডাইরেক্টর ডক্টর এম শ্রীকান্ত জি এসছেন এবং ওনার সঙ্গে আছেন কোকোনাট ডেভেলপমেন্ট বোর্ডের দুজন অফিসার, ডেপুটি ডাইরেক্টর, অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট ডাইরেক্টর। এবং আজকে এখানে কৃষকদের নিয়ে একটা আলোচনা চক্র, যে চক্রে আমাদের ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যে কীভাবে কোকোনাট ডেভেলপমেন্ট বোর্ডের সহযোগিতায় এই যে নারকেল চাষটাকে কীভাবে এগিয়ে নিয়ে যাওয়া যায়, কাল্টিভেশন থেকে আরম্ভ করে বাজারজাতকরণ এবং প্রক্রিয়াকরণ সম্বন্ধে একটা আলোচনা রাখা হয়। এবং এতে কৃষকদের উপকারের জন্য বিভিন্ন রকমের যে কোকোনাট ডেভেলপমেন্ট বোর্ডের যে স্কিমের কী ব্যবস্থাপনা আছে এটা নিয়ে আলোচনা হয় এবং বিভিন্ন অফিসার্সদের নিয়েও এখানে আলোচনা হয়। এবং এখানে বিভিন্ন কৃষকের বা বিভিন্ন যে কোকোনাট ডেভেলপমেন্ট বোর্ডের যে স্কিম ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশনে কৃষকদের কী অন্তরায় আছে, কী প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, বা কীভাবে কী করলে স্কিমটাকে আরও সুন্দরভাবে ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশন করা যায়, এটা নিয়ে এখানে ওনাদের মতামত নিয়ে ওনারা রিপোর্ট করবেন গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ইন্ডিয়ার কাছে। এবং ওনারা চাইবেন যে এখানে বিভিন্ন সাহায্য সুবিধার মধ্যে ত্রিপুরা রাজ্যের সরকারের বিভিন্ন স্কিমের মাধ্যমে নারকেলটাকে আরও কীভাবে চাষ বৃদ্ধি করা যায়, যাতে করে নারকেলের কোনো আমাদের অভাব না হয়। এবং উপরন্তু ভবিষ্যতে যাতে এখানে বিভিন্ন রকমের কুটির শিল্প যাতে কোকোনাট বেসড করা যায়, এটা নিয়ে একটা প্ল্যান করা হবে কৃষকদের মতামত নিয়ে এবং অফিসারদের মতামত নিয়ে। ধন্যবাদ।
Yeah, my name is Pramod Kurian. I am Deputy Director in Coconut Development Board, headquarters from Kochi. Actually, today we are here along with the officers from the manage to study the performance of Coconut Development Board schemes in Agartala, particularly Tripura, representing North and Northeast. So, what are the schemes beneficial to the coconut farmers? What are the corrections required that they are studying? And they are directly interacting with the farmers and collecting the data from the field level, and they are submitting a suitable proposal to CDB to correct our schemes if required. And there are some good schemes which is very much useful in Tripura. One scheme is actually area expansion program, so that we are having one farm in Hichachara, that is in Sabroom. There the seedling production is being taken up, and there the seedlings are distributed in association with the horticulture department, and incentive subsidy is being given to the farmers. And we are also giving some training program if required from the field. CDB can offer the training program, and we can also send some people from here to our CDB Institute of Technology, that is an institute in Kerala. There they can come across with technology to produce the coconut products. So they can come back and start small processing units. So that will be an added advantage to the coconut farmers here. And moreover, the coconut production is very much is economical in Tripura, because the retail price is high, but we'll have to see that how the farmers are benefited on that retail price. If 40 rupees, 50 rupees, how much the farmers are getting. So in that, the farmers should be made more aware that comes the marketing aspect. So that area we will have to have more interaction with the farmers and to educate them their product is having 40 rupees in the market, so they should get a better share of the consumer price. And moreover, there are some schemes, insurance schemes. Those who are doing the harvesting, there is a scheme. 5 lakhs rupees can be given to that coconut pluckers. So that is nothing but one application form, and it is only 96 rupees of the farmers. Remaining the board is meeting. So that is any of our horticulture department can recommend any person, and they can send that application to Coconut Development Board to our unit office in Hichachara. So they will get 1 year with 94 rupees. They will get 5 lakhs rupees sum assured for accident as well as for death sum assured. So if accident is also covered, hospitalization to some extent that is also covered. This is one of the unique this one program exclusively for the coconut harvesters. It is not necessary that they should climb the coconut, even with the pole harvesters also covered under this. And few uniqueness of the coconut is that the coconut is having that advantageous crops, like a fiber that the roots are. So that is preventing landslide. It will catch the soil together. So the planting of coconut in the slopes will prevent the landslips as well as the landslides. So that is also one added advantage. And that dab, that is the tender coconut. And the dab is a naturally packed tender coconut water for the human being. And you can compare that after taking dab and compare with after taking Coca-Cola or any other drink. After dab, we will go for the pisab karne ke liye jayega. So that is detoxifying our body. You can compare after taking Coca-Cola, no one will go for urination. Pisab karne ke liye nahi jayega. So taking dab is actually a detoxifying mechanism for the human being. So instead of taking this carbonated drinks, it is a naturally packed water, that is a saline water, that is a natural God's gift. So you will have to promote, and we will have to promote the people to the normal common people to take more tender coconut. So that is a health benefit to the human being, and at the same time more market for the dab, that is benefiting the farmers. So definitely CDB is with the farmers, with the horticulture department. We will work together for the benefit of the coconut family. And oil, actually here in Tripura and all, coconut oil is not used for cooking. But coconut oil is having one advantage. Coconut oil is having that content called lauric acid, which is giving the immunity to the human being. Lauric acid is the highest content in the breast milk. जो माँ बच्चे को जो दूध दे रहा है उसमें ज़्यादा lauric acid, इसलिए वो बच्चे को immunity का वो आदत मिलता है. So that is actually helping. So coconut oil is having that health aspect. So that also we will have to give awareness among the community that coconut oil is having that immunity boosting capacity. So that also we have to tell and educate our people, common people. So these are the few advantages, and definitely coconut is having a very good future in the north and northeast, and there is a very good market once the inter-country trade starts from to Bangladesh and all. So these all opportunities we will have to have. We will have to utilize that opportunity. Thank you.
The purpose of this visit is to evaluate the performance of CDB, that is Coconut Development Board, at the ground level. Especially in Northeast, we have chosen Nagartala and Tripura as our study, as part of our study. So we are going to document the farmers and the beneficiaries, whether they have received the benefits directly from the CDB or from horticulture department, in such a way that their productivity level has enhanced, and they are able to go for diversification of their crops, and then finally they are able to market their produce in such a way that they are getting remunerative prices. So this is, in a nutshell, we want to understand the operations of CDB at the ground level from the farmer's point of view.
Thanks.
Welcome to the future of innovation, where minds meet technology and dreams become reality. ICFA University Tripura, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Our state-of-the-art campus is a melting pot of brilliance, a place where creativity and technology converge. From modern lecture halls to advanced laboratories, we provide an environment that fosters intellectual growth and hands-on learning. Our dedicated faculties are experts in their fields, passionate about mentoring the next generation of innovators. From adrenaline-pumping matches to our all-genre of sports, our campus is alive with the spirit of competition. Within the realms of Ikeria, emerging as artists whose creations resonate with the heartbeat of artistic expression. Making Ikeria the true epicenter of creativity, where innovation meets education. Join us on the journey to redefine what's possible. Your future begins here. ICFAI University Tripura. Dream big.